Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is, I was thinking on things to do today. I was like, what could I do that's fun and trendy, and thinking of things that are always trending. And I was like, well, our president, and also blech. And then I started thinking of YouTubers, and I was like, well, David Dobrik. And then I started thinking of videos, like ideas of what I could do with David. And then I thought of all the paintings that he has put on his friends' walls. So I was like, okay, me. This one on Scott's wall is cool. I like that one. And it was pretty simple, not too intricate. The one of Todd and him, it was too inappropriate for my channel. I mean, not really, but and the one of Jason and Trisha I had planned to be put on here. This is actually the Trisha and Jason's background of their painting. They're just like not on it, you know what I mean? It was already like 6 hours in once I finished this, and I was like, there's no way. So this is what I created. PSA, I'm not great at painting people. I've done Michael from The Office, and that didn't go well. I mean, it did go well like on my page, but a bigger page like for The Office posted it, and they hated it. The people in the comments did not like it. So I hope that doesn't happen with this one. I like how it came out. Not great at painting people, but I don't know. Maybe he'll see it and then he'll be like, oh, that's cool. That'd be cool. To finish up this intro, if you would like to know how I created David's paintings, painting David's paintings on myself, then keep on watching. Hi. So finally starting. I've been sitting here for like 2 hours just cleaning my brushes and getting all the paint out. Now we're starting. I figured you guys don't see my hair down, so I thought we should. But now it's going up, so it doesn't matter. Okay, ready. Gotta figure out how to start. Wish I had a white pencil, but I don't. I've lost 2 of them now. Sad, isn't it? I think I'm just gonna use white water activated paint. So we're gonna be painting David Dobrik on my chest. That sounds silly. Down, 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 down. I'm gonna start sketching it out. I'm gonna bring you down. Let's start by just sketching out where his face would go. Have you noticed from the last one I did, I am still stained from 6 days ago. It won't go away. I promise you I shower. I promise. Okay, there's my rough sketch. I had to figure it out a little bit. I want to do something with this one because I like this one a lot, actually. Hi. I can't believe how pale I am now. I never noticed until I got a spray tan. Let's start coloring it. This is like my really rough sketch. I think I'm gonna start with this guy in the middle. Let's start off with some brown. I think I'm just gonna figure out where I want to put his hair first. It's basically black, but I'm just gonna start with brown and then highlight black into it because I don't want it to turn out all black. You know what I mean? He has very voluminous hair. Voluminous. So I'm gonna outline that crown in brown because it looks like they did, but it's like colored in yellow. King George. I don't know, it looks like gold, and I have a gold, but the gold that I have is like shiny. I'll start off with the gold and then add the yellow in. I don't know, like that's really close to my skin tone too. David Dobrik's on my chest. Doop, shoop, doop, 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 shoop, doop, 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 doop. This is scary. Every time I open my phone, I see that and I'm in fear. I'm skipping the hard parts because I love to stall. Gonna make his hair more black. So I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow to really blend it into the brown because I don't want it to be fully black. I'm stressed. I colored around the sun. I'm gonna take my trusty brush that I've been using constantly. And then this side has like a lot of white in it. Let's just highlight her with some white. This headband's getting really itchy. Itchy matishy, skitchy McNishy. Let's make the red dots. I'm very much avoiding the face, which is what will make or break this, so that's good. I'm gonna paint around the sun off camera. Okay, so we should probably start off with a base for Mr. Dobrik. I'm just gonna use MAC NC5 because he has a bit of a yellow undertone. It's a good shade match. apparently I didn't press record. So I'm just taking a black eyeshadow and blending it down his neck to create that shadow that everyone has, obviously, underneath their neck. So his shirt is red. He has a little like button in the center of his shirt. Cute little button, and it's also yellow. The more I blend it in, the more it doesn't become yellow. Probably should go over it with some white first. There we go. There's a bunch of like weird lines on his shirt, but I feel like that's not gonna look good on my body. So I'm just gonna kind of take this black and just kind of do it from the bottom up, shading it. I'm a very non-messy painter. Like, I want everything to be very clean. Now we have to start. I guess maybe I'll start with his little curl in the front. Let's do his eyebrows black. Let's just try and start with some eyeshadow, because I don't even know where to start. I'm scared. Okay, figured out where his brow should be. I think it's kind of hard. Every time I look at it, I want to change them again. This is why painting people is like my last resort to anything. It's okay. Let's contour around his nose. Now that we have his eyes, pretty much, I'll probably go back and end up fixing them a lot after as well. I'm going to try and figure out where his nose should go. Nose is definitely the hardest part. We will persevere. This smile is making me laugh so much. That's just the bottom of his mouth, but it looks like he's just like no nose and just a smile. Okay, his left nostril is right below. Okay, so I haven't talked in a little bit because I've just been so concentrated, but I did his eye and I did his nose, and now I'm mixing together a pink and a light brown to make his lip shade. This has been a little more struggling than I thought it would be, but it's fine. Put the little divot in between his mouth. Freaks me out when he has no teeth. I should just leave it like that. 2 teeth. Oh, that's funny. Okay, pull you up a little bit. Hi, that took forever. I need to contour his face a little bit because there's like no definition at all. So I'm just gonna shade kind of the contour areas of anyone's face. He's smiling, so it's kind of like darker in this area just because his cheeks are like high up. Just doing some last finishing touches to his face basically. So I'm just gonna fill in the grass part that's over here. I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo. Jason Derulo, have you heard of him in that forever? Me either, sister. Hi ho, hi ho. David Dobrik is on my chest. Okay. Alright, okay. Oh god. Hippity hoppity hi ho. Seebity bobbity jabbo. I have this light blue, but I need it to be a dark blue. So we're gonna mix it with some black. That was easy. This brush already had black on it. That didn't make it dark blue. We're off to the mountains. I need to buy more of this color. I should name this, I forgot. I had a name that I was going to name it, and now I forgot. Freaking fantastic. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, good song, Lauren. I got this, and I haven't played with it. But I'm gonna take the black. Skibbity bap boop bap bap bap. I'm going to grab the black and shade underneath. Haven't seen me in a while. Well, my face. I'm getting exhausted. It's about 5 hours in and I'm pretty tired, but no pain, no gain, right? I need to make the white line on this mountain pippity pop. I hate getting over here because I can't reach it. And then my left hand is so not functional. Dunzo done, done, done. So now I'm painting the sky this light blue because it's nice kid-friendly painting. I'm gonna bring you up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to take some white paint. I'm going to make some cartoony clouds because that's kind of just the whole theme, is to be cartoony. Okay, so I'm going to take an orange shadow from the James Charles palette, and I'm just going to shade around the sun to kind of deepen. I don't know, everything's so cartoony for me, and that's not what I'm used to. You know what I mean? I'm trying to like stop it where it's still cartoony, but also make it my own. I think I'm gonna also dip into some red. So he has these cracks in the wall, and I think I want to do that because that's not too much, and it won't be like taking up so much space that it's like, there's a lot going on, you know what I mean? Hopefully I like this. Okay, just take some black eyeshadow and like shade around it. I think we're good with the chest. Okay, we're up here. I think all I'm gonna do for my face is contour it, but with like colors. I'm gonna start off with just some yellow. I'm gonna do like a sunsetty colors. Stuff is flaking off my face. Is it dry skin? Now I'm gonna go in with some orange. Now I'm going in with some red. I'm blushing up my cheeks. I'm funny. Funny, funny, funny. Now, to deepen it all up, I'm gonna dip into a violet. Yeah, I sprayed this Victoria's Secret glitter lust. I can't breathe. Oh, that's not good. Okay, it's the same colors that I used on my face. We're just gonna use those on my eye because they're pretty and I love them. Okay, we're on like hour 6. Boom, boom, clap. Boom, clap, clap. 1, 2, 3. Everybody get up on your feet. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put on a nudier lipstick, and that's pretty much gonna be it. I'm gonna put some yellow in the center. And I think that this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this look, please like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions of things that I should do next, paintings, funny videos, entertainment, whatever, any kind of videos, if you would like to see anything from me, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you would just like to chit chat with me, I answer back to everyone's comments. I had a lot of fun creating this and challenging myself to paint people again after the dramatic fiasco of what happened with The Office painting. So I'm happy that I tried it again. Not too bad. I could get better, but it's still only my second time painting someone's face on myself. Anyways, to end this outro, I love you guys, and I will check you in the next video. Bye!